The Wi-Fi name, or SSID, is what you see when you connect devices to your T-Mobile home internet. You can easily change it using the T-Mobile Internet app, available on iOS and Android. Open the T-Mobile Internet app, log in, and navigate to the network or Wi-Fi settings. Navigate to the network or Wi-Fi settings section. Enter your new Wi-Fi name or SSID. Save the changes. The network may reboot, disconnecting and reconnecting devices. Alternatively, go to the web portal s/192.168.12.1. Connect to the gateway and log in using the password found on the gateway label. Navigate to Wi-Fi settings and change the Wi-Fi name. This method allows you to modify both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, which can be set to the same name for simplicity and better device compatibility. The app method is generally easier. When changing your T-Mobile home internet Wi-Fi name or SSID, keep these important considerations in mind. Your SSID should be unique to avoid conflicts with neighboring networks. It can be up to 32 characters long, but avoid special symbols for best compatibility. Changing your SSID is also a good security practice. After changing the SSID, all your devices will need to reconnect using the new name and password. For security, it's recommended to use WPA3 encryption. T-Mobile gateways support dual-band Wi-Fi, allowing you to manage the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz SSIDs independently for optimal performance. Also consider that by late 2025, T-Mobile plans to roll out Wi-Fi 7 gateways, offering faster speeds and even more granular SSID control. If you have issues during a firmware update, T-Mobile recommends resetting the gateway and reapplying your settings.